Today in this video, we will discuss about reading, watching and listening that will help you to enhance your spoken English. Hi, my name is Chanda. Welcome to my channel. Be Confident. Here I help you to take yourself to the next level. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit the red button down below and motivate me to make such videos for you. We generally encounter many new words while reading, but we have to be very particular about what we are reading. While reading, if there are too many new words, then the level of reading is high and you should opt for something simple. I will give you an idea for how many new words you can continue. If there are maximum 5 new words per page, then you can continue your reading. You can search meaning for those words and continue your reading. But if there are more than 5 or 10, then it's time to change for something simple. While reading, you not only learn new words, but also you get to see new word used in the context. When we read, we can improve our writing skill, vocabulary and grammar as well. We all love to watch, isn't it? Do you know? Watching is another great way to boost our spoken English. While watching, we get to know about some English words used in natural way. We also get to know about some informal English words and phrases which we might not find on a textbook. Because as we all know that academic writing and the spoken language, both of them are different. Sitting on a couch and watching, we get to learn new words, even grammar, and also the way they are used in real life. We can improve our sentence structure while watching movies, and in earlier videos I have already told you that how we can watch movie and improve our spoken English. As I have already told you in my earlier videos about how we can improve our spoken language by watching movies. Adding subtitle to the movies is a smart way to watch. Initially, you may find difficult to synchronize reading the subtitle with listening to the characters. But don't feel left away when you are still reading the subtitle and the scene has already moved ahead. Initially, I used to struggle reading the subtitle. I used to read only the subtitle and miss out the whole movie. But after 3 or 4 efforts, I was able to synchronize reading subtitle with the characters. So you can also learn the same way I have learned while watching movies. Don't worry if maximum of your time is consumed reading the subtitles. After 5 or 6 efforts, you can easily synchronize the movie and reading the subtitle. You just need to practice and practice. Without practice, you cannot do anything. All the people you hear on the internet, on the YouTube, speaking fluently in English, it's all because of their hard work and practice. The more you practice, the more easily you can speak. I will share a story with you. Initially, I was very camera conscious. You can see on my playlist the earlier videos. I am very dull and I feel very shy when I sit in front of camera. But now just look at me. After continuous effort and after continuous practice, I am able to speak in a confident way with all of you, as if you are sitting right in front of me. So this is all because of practice. Now I think you have understood how important practice is. Listening is also a crucial part of spoken English. It is a process of receiving and processing information. Sometimes what happens, we don't understand what the native speaker is saying. It happens with you also, right? Even it had happened with me as well. Initially, I was not able to understand what the native speaker used to tell. It was because I didn't knew the words the speaker was using. It was just lack of my practice, or because I was not familiar with the word he was using. Or in short, you can say lack of vocabulary. So it's high time that you need to improve on your vocabulary. If you know how to speak English but you don't understand what the other people are telling to you, then it's high time to improve your vocabulary. To focus on new words and increase the level of your listening. Whenever you are listening to a video, say for example you are listening to my video, at least listen to it for at least 3 or 4 times. Then you can easily capture the words and phrases or sentences that I am using. You need not use bombastic word or high level of English. You just need to learn a simple English so that you can communicate. Once you master the simple English, you can easily become advanced learner. Your mission is to focus on simple English. Always start with basic. While watching or listening, consider watching meaningful videos that are helpful for you, through which you can learn every day something new, something different. Don't go for memorizing. If you listen the same video for more than 3 or 4 times, the sentences are automatically captured in your subconscious mind. Even you might not know that you have captured all those sentences. So listening a video for more than 3 or 4 times is an easy way to capture new words and sentences and help yourself to learn spoken English. If you like my video, do share it with your friends so that your friend too can improve his or her spoken English. Consider hitting the like button if you like my video, and if you have not subscribed yet, hit the red button down below. Thank you.